Hello everyone. Find the values of A such that PQ is equal to QR, where P, Q and R are the points whose coordinates are 6 comma minus 1, 1 comma 3 and A comma 8 respectively. Okay. So here P coordinates are given as 6 comma minus 1, Q coordinates are given as 1 comma 3 and R coordinates are given as A comma 8. Okay. So this is what given to us. What is that? PQ is equal to QR. Okay. By using this condition, we have to find the value of A. So let's suppose P coordinates are x1, y1, Q is x2, y2, R is x3, y3. Then what is the formula we have to use for PQ? To find out PQ, we can use it as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to square root of QR formula. What is QR? QR will be x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. Okay, so now we have to substitute the values. Before going that, square root and square root we can cancel. Okay, now x2 minus x1 whole square means 1 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means 3 minus of minus 1. So 3 plus 1 whole square equal to x3 minus x2. So a minus 1 whole square plus y3 minus y2, that is 8 minus 3 whole square. So minus 5 whole square plus 4 square is equal to a minus 1 whole square plus 5 square. So 5 square is equal to 25. 25 plus 16 is equal to a minus 1 whole square plus 25. So 25 25 cancels. Okay, I got a minus 1 whole square is equal to 16. So a minus 1 is equal to how much? Square root of 16, which is nothing but plus or minus 4, right? So a minus 1, if a minus 1 is equal to 4, then a is equal to 5. The same way a minus 1 is equal to minus 4, then a is equal to minus 4 plus 1, that is a is equal to minus 3. So therefore the values of a are 5 and minus 3. Thank you.